everybody, it's Jerry, and today I'm going to show you how to make some creamy Tuscan chicken with pasta. And this is going to be using one of my favorite products. This is Daring Chicken, and this is the one in the green packet, which is the original plant chicken pieces. And this is without any breading or anything on it. It's just plain vegan chicken, and it's amazing. It tastes just like chicken. It's got a great texture, and I highly recommend it. So we're going to use this in the dish, and let me show you how to do it. We're going to start by making our cashew cream by taking 1 cup of cashews, which have been soaked overnight and then drained and rinsed well. And we're going to add 2 cups of water, put it in a food processor or blender, and just blend everything together until it's nice and smooth. And then we'll just set that aside while we continue. So we're going to take our Daring chicken and just cut it into bite-sized pieces. Now this has been defrosted first, which I recommend. You can use it frozen, but I like defrosting it. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and a half a teaspoon of salt to a bowl. And just mix that together and add in the chicken. And just stir it until the chicken is all nicely coated with the spices. And then we're going to take a skillet, add about a tablespoon of olive oil, and just heat that up over medium heat. Add in the chicken. And just cook that while stirring the chicken until it's nicely cooked. It should be about 5 minutes. Just keep moving the chicken around so it doesn't get burned on the bottom. And then just set that aside. And now we're going to take a large pan and melt a 1/4 cup of vegan butter over medium heat. Add in 1 large shallot, which has been chopped. And just cook that in the vegan butter until it's translucent, about a few minutes. And then we're going to add in 4 cloves of garlic, which have been finely chopped. Cook that for another 30 seconds or so. And then we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes, which have been chopped. Let that cook together for a few minutes. And then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mix that together and just let that cook for a minute. And then we can add in our cashew cream. Now this is going to get very thick as it cooks, so we're going to add vegetable broth in as it gets thick. So we'll start with just a half a cup, and then we'll just keep adding more broth as the sauce gets too thick. Now we're going to add in a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of oregano, and a half a teaspoon of paprika. And then some freshly ground black pepper, about a 1/4 teaspoon. Mix that all together. And now we're going to add in our Swiss chard, which has been washed, the stalks removed, and chopped into small pieces. And we're just going to let that cook until it starts to wilt. And while that's cooking, and we can add some more broth as it gets a little thick. In the meantime, we're going to take a large pot of water and bring it to a boil and add in our pasta. So this is 1 8-ounce box of penne. Use whatever brand you like, and we're just going to cook that according to package directions, probably around 8 minutes. And now we're going to add in 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, and 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, which have been sliced in half. Just mix that together. And then we can add in our cooked chicken. Mix that in. Again, we're going to add some more broth as the sauce gets a little thick. And then once our pasta has been cooked, we can drain that and then add that in. And just mix that together until it's all well combined. And we're ready to serve it up. And then we're just going to top it with some more grated Parmesan. Thanks everybody for watching, and please tune in next time for some more great recipes. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.